I'm off to work. Tell Mama that I've come.
Okay, okay, Baba.
Please take this thing inside.
Okay, Baba. Baba, bye-bye.
The widows of Aguama community. Where are you late? Others have come and gone. Anyway, the governor of this state has remembered you people. He has sent money to the palace and asked me to give you people the sum of 10,000 naira each. This is for you.
Igwe.
This is for you.
Igwe.
You cannot do.
Thank you. You will live long. Igwe Igade. Please help us thank the governor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for us.
If you think I'm up on one way, I'm not be checking your phone. Someone is in pain because of poverty. Someone is angry. He decided to be helping poor people.
All this stop now. I'm tired of all this. Making this chicken change after suffering for so much. Every day. What do I do now? I think I have to call him. Yes. I have to call him. I have to call him and apologize to him. And beg him to help me with some money. I know he will help me. Well, let me call him. Hello, sir. Hello. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, it's me. It's me, Basil. Yes, but say your boy, sir. Sir, please, I want to apologize. Hello? 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 Is it him that cut it or is it not? Let me call him back now. Network. It's ringing. It's ringing. Sir, please speak. Indian people. Sir, pick now, please. Hi. He didn't pick again. What kind of life is this now? Okay, please, I beg you, pick this call. I'm only calling you to apologize to you. I know we have wronged you, but at least if you pick now, I'll tell you my mind. Please, I'm sorry. Hi. Oh God. Yes, he's ringing now. So please speak now. So please, I'm only apologizing to you. Please speak now. Hi.
What do they want at this time of the day?
Nine. How do I know? Let them come in first.
Hey,
Dikeh, take a lemon.
You people are welcome. How can I help you?
The king wants you at the palace right now.
The king wants me at the palace. What happened?
I don't know. When you get there, you will know.
Okay. As you people can see, tell him that I am eating. When I finish my eating, I will come and see him.
no, you must follow us to the palace immediately. Can't you see he's eating?
Keep short, man. Stay out of this.
Yeah. Naya, do not insult my parents. Are they your mate? In fact, he's not going in until he finish eating. If you think you're a man, touch him now. Let me. Who do you know, boy? See?
Do you know why you're not?
Okay, you see, what I'm going to do? I'm going with them. I will come back.
Let me come with you now.
No, don't worry yourself. This is my family. I am coming back.
Somebody eats in his house.
Hey, Topan.
Are you aware of what happened in this palace last night?
No.
You are not aware. Okay. Yeah? Go to the bed. Can we get that from you? Okay. Since you claim not to know, I will tell you. Your son, Dikeh, and his gangs invaded this palace last night and made away with you. Wait, no, man. I will do something.
This boy gave no.
You don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Okonkwo.
Igwe.
Okonkwo.
Igwe.
Okonkwo.
Igwe.
How many times did I call you?
Tere.
Okonkwo, I warned you to warn your son, but you refused. The other day, your son was here and asked me to lie down on the floor. He humiliated me. He harmed me, Igwe. I was on the floor for hours. He humiliated me. Last night, he came again and took 3 million naira my son sent me from abroad. I have had enough. So, Ono and my cabinet chiefs and me, we decided that banished from this community.
Don't do this to me, please. Please. Don't do this to me. My elders, please.
Respect yourself quietly and move out of this place.
Go now.
Igwe.
Do you know how you are talking now? No. Will you get out of here? If you are not out of here, I will call my guys to pull you out. Now get out.
Hey! Igwe.
Guys!
Mama,
Guys!
Igwe. He was once a criminal.
Boo, maybe the son inherited it from the grandfather.
Nine. Look at what my son has cost. Onye muta nwa na ebe. Onye amutara nwa na ebe. Kenke mmadụ ga-eme biko. Okene bụ nka.
If anything happened to any of us here because of Dikeh, I will curse him and he will suffer for it.
Hey, I've told you to stop talking like that. My spirit tells me that Dikeh will change. Dikeh ga-agbanwe kwa n'echi. Ọ ga-agbanwe.
Dikeh ga-agbanwe.
Ọ ga-agbanwe.
When? When will he gbanwe? When every one of us die because of him, he will gbanwe. Eh?
But Papa, where are we going? I'm tired now. Where are we going?
We are going nowhere. Any place we find ourselves, we stay there.
Papa, why don't you go to your maternal home and stay?
My dear daughter, nobody is alive in that family because of the war between my maternal community and their neighboring community. So every member of the family was burnt to ashes. So let us go. Anywhere we see ourselves, we pitch.
Papa, I'm tired.
And let me help.
I'm tired.
Let's be going now. Can I get to know mobile?
See them boys, hanya na chafako inafukwa. See our men, hanya de kwa fako manapa gentle, body kwa gentle, hey, gentle, body kwa gentle,
Banished us from Agwama.
Yes, brother.
Where's Papa?
We are not staying in one uncompleted building at one Abaja community there.
Uncompleted building.
Yes, brother.
My father and my mother is staying in uncompleted building.
Yes, brother.
Hi, Igwe. So how is Papa and Mama doing?
But they are not fine. They are not fine. No, Mama is always crying because of all this problem, and even Papa too. In fact, I don't know.
It's alright. Cynthia, you don't need to lament over this. Okay?
Brother,
everything will be fine.
Brother, I want to ask you, did you really do all these things that Dikeh accused you of?
Cynthia, the truth of the matter is that I did not do any of this. Igwe and his cabinet members, they hate our family. They want to frustrate us. That's what they're doing. But you know what? I will handle it. Just leave everything for me. Alright?
But I forgot to tell you that I've gotten admission into the university and I'll be needing some money to run around for the admission.
Are you serious?
Yes,
You've gotten admission?
Yes,
That's a good news. I am happy for you. Alright? I will do everything within my power to see you through the university. Alright? I just want you to be very serious with your school. Yeah? Say you need money.
Yes.
Here is about 98 or 100,000, okay? Hold on to it. So whenever you need money, don't hesitate to call me, okay?
Thank you, brother. Brother, thank you very much.
It's alright. Just be very careful, alright? One more thing. Don't let anybody know you saw me.
Okay, brother. Alright. Bye, brother.
Igwe nge make the give fair. You will kidney problem. Ma wa gonna to others aura. Calm down, everything will be fine. Okay.
Ejike, what are you doing here? Onye gosiri gị ebe a? Ana m ajụ gị. Ekperima onye gosiri gị ebe a? Cynthia!
Yes, Papa.
Eba! Papa, who showed this idiot this place?
I did.
You did? Cynthia, now. Have I not warned you not to do anything with this idiot?
Papa, how can you say things like that? After all, he's my brother.
Shut up your mouth. Go and ask your friends how their brothers behave. If I see you collect anything from Ejike, I will skin you alive.
Hey, Papa, I am here to take your mother and Cynthia away to a more comfortable place where you will be.
Ejike, please leave me and your mother here. We are comfortable. I don't want cable. Gavana Machoro.
It's alright, I've heard what you said. Cynthia.
Okay.
You've heard what I said.
Yes, brother.
In case you need anything, don't hesitate to hear me.
Okay, brother.
Alright?
Yes, brother.
And Papa, in case you change your mind, if you need anything, let me know. Okay?
Ejike, come here. You said if I need anything, I should tell you. Go to the police and submit yourself so that I will be free with your mother. Gaba! Ejike, go!
Papa, why now? Why you telling me?
Shut up your mouth! Nya. Okay, this is where my sister. Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkụ.
Good afternoon, Father.
Welcome.
How much do we have here?
We have 16.1.
Well, you could have check.
The checks are 1,700,000.
Progress. You see, if we continue this way, doing our launching every month, and within the next 2 years we will complete our new church building.
Yes, Father.
Now, tomorrow morning, go and deposit this money into our account.
Yes, Father.
They make money so that people will come for them. Why their families and relatives are hungry? They want to donate money so you clap for them. But I'm telling you this, charity begins at home.
They go sink in the head, carry the money.
So pada yi say wale pada iya wale pada ita we ka pada duro ti go we abi. We go wa ra. O ko le a. Ba ya ya. Na me bo pia. Ba ya. Ba ya. O ko le a. Ba ya. Ba ke le ja. Ba ke le ja. Ba le fa. Ba ya. When's it watch about? What are you watching, Mom? Why you come? Look, he married me. But the money is not family, you can do it. I'm going to give you a you can do it. They go sink in the head. 200 naira. 200 naira. Mugu, we don't get that one. They go sink. Come on, yeah. I'm from Monday. Calore. They go sink. For the action. Come on, Father,
Yes. We came here and reported the case. Oh, yesterday was Sunday. The men tried all they could to get them. All to
Inspector.
Sir.
Do you hear you?
Yes, sir.
Now, get your men and go in search of those animals and bring them dead.
Yes, sir.
Father, please, I am very sorry. Just don't worry. We will try our best. We're making sure that we get those criminals. Okay?
we are expecting good news.
Don't worry yourself. It's our duty. Okay?
We're on our way now.
Alright. Inspector, now that they're gone, I am sounding as a note of warning. I'm giving you 48 hours to bring those criminals. Get them dead or alive. And bring them. All this is getting too much. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
I find it very difficult to arrest those criminals, terrorizing this community. But I'm going to give you 5 days to arrest them and bring them here. Failure to do that, I will live with no other option rather than to change you or replace you with another officer in that team. And I do believe you know what that means.
But sir, does that mean you no longer trust me? Have I ever disappointed you before, sir? But the fact of this whole thing is that a particular boy is no longer living in this community, sir. And as for a member of his gangs, none of them is a native of this town. But sir, I assure you, I will make sure I do my best.
You better do, because the whole thing is trying to ruin my career. They are now seeing me as an incompetent officer who don't even know why he is being brought here. And he will insulted me seriously this afternoon because of this same case. Eh? Please, better do something. What baffles me most is the 500,000 naira these idiots took away from this office.
Don't mind about the 500,000. Better days are ahead. I assure you, sir. Another money is coming. Another money is coming, sir.
Then go and do your job.
Yes, sir.
And I need results.
I don't know what is happening. Please, can you tell us what you asked me for?
I thank God someone is listening like me, because it has been a long time we had this kind of gathering together. The boss, what is happening? Is today your birthday?
I am not celebrating any birthday. Guys, I actually called you out here to have this discussion with you. We've been in this game together, and I want to let you all know that I am sick and tired of this game. You understand? I am quitting this game. And as it stands, this might be the last time we're going to stay together like this.
Excuse me? Wait. Are you kidding me? What are you talking about? Because I don't understand you.
What I'm saying in essence is this. I am tired of this game. And I am leaving this town from this place. That is what I am saying.
Ja.
You're gonna go give him a...
Now beg, no vex, make I ask question. Don't tell me say they serious, oh. And one disembark, leave men, make men they lose guard. How? Where you want go?
Where I want to go is none of your business.
What do you mean it's none of our business? Of course it's our business. You are our boss. We are like a team. We are in this together. Wait. You mean you want to abandon me? Okay, not just me. Abandon us and go? To where? Where are you going?
What are you talking about? I want to leave you. I want to leave. I want to leave you. I want to leave you. What is this? So what I'm saying is that I'm sick and tired of this game. I want out. So I advise all of you should do so. Let's do something with our lives. Stealing is not the only thing, or is not the only work on earth.
But boss, I just don't get it. You're trying to tell me that this is like the last time we're going to sit together, like a send-forth party, like we are not going to be together again? I don't get it.
Boss, please don't be offended. I know Toles has asked you this question. Please tell us, where are you going to?
Like I said earlier, beast, it's none of your business. I am tired. I am done. I think I've made little money with this. I've saved enough. So I want to quit it. I want to quit it. And I advise you to do so. But if you think you still want to continue, no problem. This is our gun. This is the only thing that unites us. And continue from where I stopped.
Toles!
Beg, no come here, beg.
To stop them, they go sink in their head, they carry the money, walk out. Just to tell them, say, money they dear. They go sink in their head, they carry the money, walk out.
So these guys went for an operation in the church and made away with 16 million naira. And up till now, they have not called to collect my share. It's like they want to play game on me, and now the DPO is on my neck. It's either I arrest them and retain my job, or fail to bring them and stand the risks of losing my job. And now they want to play a fast game on me. No. I don't want to lose my job. I must arrest and waste them now. Yes, that is what I will do. Get everybody down. Don't spare anybody. Shoot at sight. Shoot at sight. Flash everywhere. Flash everywhere. Flash everywhere. Did you check the inner room?
Yes, sir. Let's go. What is that?
What do you mean?
Let's go for the test, sir.
Nobody. So they have disappeared. I know how to get it.
Okay, sir.
Let's go.
Okay, sir.
If anyone move there, you're dead.
Your hands on your head.
You're dead.
What have I done now?
You've not done anything. Why are you shaking and afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Sergeant, arrest her.
Come with you. You're under arrest.
What's
Move
going on here? You can settle this now. You can settle
Why are
this.
you arresting
I have not done anything.
Madam.
What did you do?
Madam, if you're interested, you come to the station.
Now. Hop on now.
Where are you taking her?
Madam, come to the station if you are interested in this matter.
What did my daughter do that the police had to arrest her?
Mama, what is happening?
Your sister. The police just arrested her. Why? They have taken her away. Why? See.
What did she do?
Young girl, I said talk. Talk now. Confess. Or do you want me to meet you again?
Sergeant.
Sir.
Hold on. Has she said anything?
No, sir.
Okay, don't worry. Let me handle it. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Now, young girl, if you tell me the truth, I will set you free. Okay? Now, what do you know about the robbery incident that has been going on in this village? Talk!
Inspector.
Sir.
What is going on here?
She has not said the truth. You know the truth? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Talk! I have been the one giving the armed robbers that terrorize this community information on how to rip people of their money. If I'm aware that someone is receiving any huge amount of money, I'll give them information on how to go and take the money away. But I don't rob with them. I'm just an informant. That's all I do.
Then, who has been supplying guns to them? How did they get that kind of equipment they use in robbing people?
Sorry. I'll tell you.
Oh, yeah, talk.
It's actually one of you. His name is He's the one. He has been the one giving us all the guns that they have used previously.
Inspector.
Sir.
Go and call Inspector Pius for me.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please. Forgive me. I've said the truth before.
Definitely. I will do. I will help you.
Down, sir. You sent for me, sir.
Inspector Pius.
Sir.
Do you know this girl?
Which girl, sir? What?
Inspector.
Sir.
So it is true you are a criminal. You have been supplying arms to armed robbers. Yet you pretend as if you don't know anything about the robbery attack in this very community. Inspector, tell me your mission in the police force.
Sir, my mission in the police force is to serve with integrity and to protect life and property, sir.
And this is how to protect life and property.
I'm very sorry, sir, to not happen again. Please forgive me.
Of course it won't happen again because you know you won't have any chance again. Your time is up. Inspector Alex,
sir, please forgive me. Forgive me, sir.
Which means what? Yeah, I will help you. I will help you to enter prison. Move.
I have said the truth. Please help me. I don't rob with them. I only give them information.
Problem. The law will take its course.
My daughter, I am totally confused. I don't know what to say. In fact, you need to go to the station to hear what your sister is vomiting there. Your sister, Ijoma, is a criminal.
What?
She's the one that gives these criminals information.
I don't understand.
She confessed in the station.
How?
Confessed. You're asking me how. If you see what happened today, this my 2 legs could not carry me. I was full of shame.
Oh. Sister, why?
God, now I don't even know what is going to be my daughter's fate.
My own sister. A criminal.
Hey!
What is happening here now? When you are dancing and jumping.
The Lord has smiled on us.
Yes.
You don't believe me? Hey! Hey! I was sitting outside though with Basil thinking, how do I get money to borrow so that Basil will start his life? Hey! All of a sudden, this jeep just came. Abumbuji was big one, no? Bigger than Obakia. This man came out. Said, hello? Who are you looking for? I said, I'm looking for Basil. Hey, look at him. Because of I said, I am Basil. I said, Basil is a young boy. He's a young man here. As at that time, Basil was behind me. So wait, Basil. And I said, Basil. He said he has a very important message for Basil. That one man from this community who stays in Holland.
Jinkosi Ventures.
Jinkosi Ventures.
Who is this Jinkosi Ventures that I don't know from this community?
So he now said, Jinkosi Ventures that he sent a message to Basil. I said, Basil, come out. Basil now came out. All of a sudden I said, smile. Basil, you don't want to smile. I said, smile. God has smiled on you. He has put smile on your face. I said, Basil, smile. Basil away. Nemo, he said that Jinkosi Ventures that he sent. He said something.
You people should stop pulling my legs now. I able to do if I come on here.
No, smile. Yeah. Don't go. In here is the sum of 15 million naira cash.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Ha! Because if I believe when I'm posting a guy for
that man Osita said that Jinkosi Ventures sent this money through him to give to me so that I will set up any business of my choice.
15 million. You doubt us. You doubt. What the man?
Mama, just look at
if truly this is money and not cancer, to the bank handling. Yes, you people kept such amount of money in the house and you are shouting. Eh? Hey!
He's right, you just came in. Let me go and change this one. Nigga, don't change you! Oh yeah! Police! Nigga! You will cook what? She has already bought everything here. Thank you! Don't sing on the road though! Yeah, he did not buy fish, so he didn't buy fish!
My son, you say that person's name is Jinkosi Ventures.
Yeah.
From this our community.
Yeah.
And he based in Holland.
Yeah.
And he gave you this money, 10 million naira, to give to my son.
Of course, yes, sir. Just to start life with. It's a chicken change.
Eh?
Yeah.
Please, sir. Sir Biko, is there any way you can tell us who this man is so that I and my father can go and say thank you?
We need to know him.
You don't need to worry much about that. He's going to be back soon, you know. And once he's back, you express your happiness.
Papa, how did it go?
Sir, please, I have to be on my way right now because I got so many places to go to. Thank you, sir. Alright.
Hey! Sir, Biko, when you were another thing.
Alright,
please sit down. The car is very dirty. Let me just, let me...
Forget I take it to car wash.
No, don't worry. Let me wash it very well. Let me...
No, excuse me, please. I'm alright. Look, take it out, please. Thank you. Alright.
Okay.
We have been trying our best in this community. This is the new church building project we are embarking upon.
Father, you're really trying. This is big, really big. So, Father, I was told that armed robbers invaded the church. I made away with 16 million naira raised for it.
The person that told you is right. And since then, this community is finding it difficult to donate again. But we are planning to do another launching next month. So let's wait and see what happens.
Father, like how much will the completion of this church cost?
It's a massive building. It will cost like between 250 to 300 million naira. It's a big project.
There is a son of this community, Agoma, who lives in Holland. He asked me to tell you to stop bothering anybody again for bringing money, raise this, raise that, fundraising for this church. That he will solely put this to a finish, both the fixtures and fittings, everything that will make it an edifice, a house of worship for God, that he will do it himself. And to prove what he said, he paid into my account 200 million naira, which I will transfer into the account of the church today.
I don't understand. You said the person is giving us 200,000 or 2 million.
Yeah. 200 million naira, I said, Father.
What did you say the name of that person is?
He is Jinkosi Ventures, Holland. And Father, there is this request he made. He said that he wouldn't want the work that will bring this to a finishing point to last for 1 year or above 1 year. Let everything be done before 1 year. And again, he requested that you should make an announcement in the church, so that on the day of official opening of this church, he would want everybody he helped to be present. That day he would be there present for everybody to see him and know whom he is. The last thing, he also requested that you should give me the church account number so that he will pay into the church account again 100 million naira. But that will be when I go back to Holland.
Please, tell that person, whoever he is, that the church will continue to pray for him until he comes back home. Amen and amen. I will deliver your message, Father. I thought he was joking. Not until we go to the bank to do the transfer. See, within a few minutes, I got an alert on my phone and I opened it. Behold, 200 million naira.
Hey, look at it.
This is wonderful.
This is really wonderful, Father.
Jesus Christ.
This is really wonderful.
God is great. It still looks like a dream to me.
But who could these Jikosi Ventures be? I've not heard of this name in this village before.
I believe that is the name you use to do business in Holland.
I think you are right, Sister Agnes. You are right. Yes. Timothy.
Father.
See what we will do. Please. Call a meeting of all the building committee members for us to plan on how to start work. Immediately, we are starting.
Consider it done, Father.
Thank you.
Immediately,
We are starting work.
Hey, wonders they say shall never cease. Now I believe what our people say, that don't ever lose hope, even at the point of death. You know that there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Igwe, as I'm talking to you now, my Basil is in the city doing his business. Oh yes.
Johannes, honestly, I can't wait to see this person that raised my family from the dead.
All this you people are saying still surprise me. Who could this person be?
He didn't stop at that. Do you know this same man sent 200 million naira for the church building? And he said, don't task anybody. Don't task them that he is going to complete the new church for us.
Tell me why God will not continue to bless him abundantly.
He must bless him. He will bless him.
Our people will not be contributing money for the church building.
BAM! It's according. You will the church apple.
The Lord is good. I will lift him up higher. When are you going back to school?
Day after tomorrow, yeah.
I will be coming next week.
Next week?
You know my brother is coming back this weekend. And I have some important things to discuss with him. Jehovah kachasi madunine. My brethren, good afternoon.
Hi, Jebel.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, point of correction. It's no longer IJ baby.
Yeah?
It's Sister Ijoma.
Sister Ijoma.
Hey, Sister Ijoma. Okay, Sister Ijoma, where are you coming from?
I'm just coming from the fellowship.
How was it?
It was very, very okay. Please, my brethren, I would want to ask you for a favor. You're doing it for yourself and for me as well. Yes, I know that I've been a sinner all this while, but I've turned to God. God is sweet. The presence of God is marvelous in our lives. So that is why I also want you to witness it. Please, do me a favor. Give God an opportunity in your life. Give him an opportunity to share your life with you. And believe you me, you will never regret it. I'm telling you the truth. I have been there, and I'm still there, and I will remain there till I die. Oh? And please, I would also want you to come to the fellowship next week, Monday. It's always on Monday, and it's by 1 p.m. Biko,
I'm not around. I'm not sure.
No, you will be around. I will always remind you. Oh, thank you very much. Bonieno ya eno, Jehovah kachasi madunine. Onye keruwa kachasi madunine eno.
IJ of all people.
If IJ can give her life to Christ, that means I will be the #1 person to be in heaven. After everything she did in this community.
I wonder.
Maybe because she has tested life in prison. That's why she repented.
I even heard that the useless police inspector that supplied them guns was now sentenced to 21 years imprisonment with hard labor. What did you do?
Okay. Yeah, okay. You are closer to this place. Please hurry up. People are waiting. Everybody is here. We are waiting for you. Thank you. Put your hands for our Lord Jesus Christ. Yeah. His Royal Highness, my spiritual father, the entire community of Akuma, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the man we're all here waiting for, Dikeh is here again with us. So, ladies and gentlemen, join me to usher in our midst the man we've all been waiting for. That is the Chief Executive Officer, Dikeh Ventures Holland. You're welcome, my brother. This is Dikeh. I present to you. You're welcome, my master. All right. Please, you wouldn't mind. You put your hands together. Put your hands together. I want to say the DPR of the community is here. Chief Rufus is here. His Royal Highness, my spiritual father. All right. The man we've been waiting for is right here with us. Dikeh Ventures Holland. With his entourage. Entourage consists of great men. Who knows what money is all about? Good. All right. Yeah, you can see them walking into the arena majestically, the way it should be. This is Dikeh Ventures. My people, I know you're surprised to see me. Yes, it's me. It's me. It's AGK, Dikeh Ventures Limited. He's been a wonderful friend. And I must tell you guys that he's a guy I can bank on anytime, any day. Thank you. When I was in this village, I robbed so many people. But I tell you, I was doing that not for my selfish interest. I was actually robbing the rich to make the poor comfortable. The widows. If you guys can remember vividly, way back, at times you wake up, you see a bag of rice at your doorstep. The money and the money for school fees have been sending to the widows. They thought is one good Samaritan. But I must tell you, I am the good Samaritan.
Yeah. An applause. An applause. Please, excuse me.
Alright, want to say something?
Okay. Please, some time ago, some people came, my parishioners came with different prayer requests for a good Samaritan they don't know that has been doing everything for them. And I pray for that person. You mean you are the good Samaritan that I prayed for?
Yes, I am the good Samaritan. Church and my people, I want to say I am very sorry to announce this. I once robbed this church of 16-point-something million naira they kept for church building projects. But looking at the church now, you know that I've spent a life fortune on it. It's over 100-and-something million naira. The boys that got settled that I robbed, I also sent them money in 3 folds. Even I must tell you that please forgive me. Forgive me, no problem. No Allah. It's alright. Forgive me. I also Mama, forgive your son, Forgive your son. Igwe, I must tell you that I'm disappointed in your leadership. Igwe, the money sent to the widows, they said through government was a lie. I actually sent that money and I instructed they should give the widows each 25,000 naira. But Igwe, you in your own selfish interest, you gave them 10,000 instead of 25. I am ashamed of you. Your son is a wealthy man like me. He lives abroad. I want to ask you, what has he done for the people of this community? Nothing. Where I am disappointed. I'm sorry to say this in public. All my people, as you can see, that the church is well erected. The church will need some money in their pocket. So me and my boys here, we are here to warm your pulse. Beast, do you have anything to tell the church and my people?
The boss. Praise the Lord. Yes, my boss has said it all. I want to apologize to the entire community for all the bad things. Though I don't think they are bad, because we are still taking care of the poor. On behalf of myself, I am donating to the church the sum of 5 million naira. So that they will use it to maintain the facilities of this church. Thank you very much.
I know you have a lot of problems. But I know because my grandmother. Me and my colleague, we are here to beg for forgiveness for all we have done to you. I am using this opportunity to donate the sum of 3 million naira to the church. Don't win any. Okay. I know you want to say something.
It's funny, but I don't think I have much to say. I am on See, I am glad to be here today. My friends are calling money. It's not just about money. Sometimes some things we consider in life that are important, they are not the most important things. God in heaven is the most important. But all the same, talking about money, I don't know what to say, but I think looking at what my colleagues have said, 3 million naira is still enough to do something to the court. On at the motel.
After this meeting, come over to my place. Your problem will be solved.
Woo!
Thank you. Thank you.
If
you want to say something, it's all right.
My people, I greet you all. My son, first of all, I will say I am sorry. You did a wonderful job. You played the life of Robin Hood. You stole from the rich and gave to the poor. As I'm sitting here today, I want all the widows in this community to come to my palace tomorrow and collect their balance of 15,000 naira. God will bless you, my son. Whatever you want this community to do for you, anything at all, just mention it and we'll do it. Just mention it, my son.
If there is nothing much I want you to do for me rather than to bring my parents back to this community. That's what I want.
All right. Whatever you said, consider it done. I am going to mandate my cabinet chief, some of them, to go and bring your parents down here anytime you want it.
Igwe, I don't need to stretch you and your cabinet members. My parents are here with me. I came with them. Bring them. Bring my parents.
Bring
Yeah, sir. Yeah, the job is done. The job is done. It's done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hey, Inspector. You're here?
Yeah,
what?
Chief.
How are you in the city?
Yeah, I'm here for a special duty. Yes. What about you, Chief?
Well, anyway, I came to see my son.
That's good. That's good.
Inspector, I beg, no verse. Why do people have to arrest those boys? Those criminals that travel abroad and come back. Why do people have to arrest them?
Yeah, Chief, you call them criminals. Every criminals are meant to be arrested and be prosecuted.
Inspector, you should have considered what they have done for the community now. The money, the church, everything. You should have forgiven them.
Chief, hold on. These people rob the entire communities with arms and ammunition. Nobody has right to set them free. As I speak to you now, they are the police custody, and we cannot release them till it is only the court that will set them free.
Well, I don't know what to say. You know the best one to do. You know better than I do. I came to see my son, and he brought me here yesterday to this beautiful place. I just said, let me come here today and relax.
When all my hope was gone, you made me to smile. Who is this good Samaritan? Get on your book, God said, I never know someone somewhere knows my problems. Oh, and I'm not the Cassian. I don't need you one more. I'm a Ramon where on your neck. There's a way to jump. Good Samaritan. Yes, he won't matter. Yes, he won't matter. You could beg you. Get the person up for Ganya. If I jump up. Najamo, agaya fuganya, busamanita. Agwa waye nebe, agwa lene waye, agwa waye nebe. I'm welling in one way. I'm welling in one way. Money every month. I got money to one worker. I got money for mama. I got money for papa. I got money for Dikeh.